was an entrepreneur, but I had some struggles figuring out what I wanted to do, how I wanted to do it, and I needed a space where I can test my ideas and fail, and also maintain accountability and structure like I was used to in the military. The decision was made immediately because it gave me structure and that familiar feeling of accountability, and the curriculum was challenging enough that it would help me fulfill the goals I needed to fulfill in my personal and professional life. Most importantly for me, it was the camaraderie and the network, not just the curriculum, but the people around you. Executives going through the same struggles and needed some push. I did not know how to market my business, and I didn't even know where to go. So I worked with a lot of the professors here and a lot of my colleagues to hone in on those skills that I didn't have. And they helped me take it to a place that I didn't even think it would take. I didn't arrive with a plan, but I left with a purpose and a business. I actually took a leap of faith, and it worked out for me.